My reflection about The River Merchant's Wife, a letter, is a moving examination of love, longing, and the passing of time. The poem, written as a letter from a young wife to her husband, explores her feelings of isolation and yearning, emphasizing the transformational power of relationships as well as the grief that can come from separation. The poem explores the ubiquitous themes of connection and distance, highlighting the bittersweet aspects of love and the effect of physical separation in emotional relationships. My analysis about the story opens with their speaker remembering her early innocence and the delight of friendship, emphasizing the innocence of their relationship. As the poem develops, the tone swings dramatically as the speaker reflects about her husband's leaving for work, creating feelings for longing and loneliness. Changing seasons represent the passage of time, symbolizing the speaker's emotional development and growing attachment to her husband. Finally, The River Merchant's Wife, a letter, is a brilliantly composed poem that depicts the complexities of life, love, desire, and passing of time with vivid imagery and deep emotions. It is timeless investigation of love's emotional environment, demonstrating how it may change and transform in response to life experience.